What's up guys, this is Duracell's M150 portable power station or power bank, whatever you want to call it. And the reason I have it is because just like normal power banks that we use to charge our mobile phones, this power bank or power station can actually charge your laptop. So this power station can give you an output of 150 watts simultaneously, so you can charge a laptop of up to 100 watts like your MacBook with this type C port, and you can also charge two devices or even all three devices like two iPhones or Android phones and one earbuds. Fast charge like 150 watts of power. So let's check it out. And it comes in this kind of box. Inside this box you get this power bank, M150, and then you get a charging dock plus one documentation. So unboxing experience is pretty simple, although it is well packed, so to protect it from any damage. And let me actually show you. Let me show you by, I have this MacBook 15-inch right here, MacBook Pro, and let me plug it in. To use it, you have this two buttons. One is to turn it on, so long press it, it turns on. It has 5 status indicators giving you the life of the battery. 5 means 100 because each indicator represents 20% of battery. If you had 4 here, that would have meant like 80% of battery. You have this LED or light as well, which will come to later. So let me first show you. This top input port is an input and output. It gives you 100 watt of power. So let me show you. Let me plug it in, and laptop is already charged, so it will not take much of power, but still let me show you. It has started charging. See, you must have heard the bell as well, and it is around 42% right now. Your camera is not picking it up correctly. It's not actually blinking or moving like this like it is in the camera because of the shutter speed, but it is at 39%, 39 watts. So it is charging this laptop MacBook Pro, and let me actually bring in my iPhone and charge that as well. Let's plug it another type C port here and charge that as well. See, so it is now charging my MacBook as well as my iPhone. And again, this is the power of this tiny little power station. Let me clean up the mess a little bit so that we can talk more cleanly. And all right, talking about its design, it is actually made to look like Duracell's other batteries. Like the batteries have this golden color on top, and then they have this kind of black shade, so it is made to look like that. And it has two buttons. One is to turn it off or on, okay, LED indicators to give you the life of the battery. Turn it on again, on, okay. Then we have this the other button to turn on this ring light. They have this called ring light. It has 4 different levels, so let me show you. This is one, what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th one is turn off. So 5. So 5 different levels of brightness here. And what else? Another feature is it has this slot to put things in here. So if you have some kind of cable or earbuds, you can put them right here. What else? This, but let me come back to it later. Let's come to the ports as well. So in terms of ports, it has 4 ports, 2 USB type C, 2 USB type A. And the type C top port is input and output, so you can take output of 100 watts or you can give input of 60 watts. So this USB type C port or type C1 port, that they have numbered it. So it can give you up to 100 watts output and take 60 watt as input, because the 60 watt is the maximum input wattage that it can accept to charge itself. Then we have this USB type C. This can give you up to 60 watt, and these two USB type A's, each one of them can give you out 18 watts. So these are also fast charge equipped. Not only that, you actually can charge. This is a MagSafe dock, so you can charge any MagSafe equipped wireless charging device. So for example, this iPhone. It is not. Here you go. See, it has started charging itself, and it's quite strong, this dock actually. Let me do it like this. See, it is not falling off. So you can do it like this, or do it like this. All right. So multiple dock positions. So this is a wireless charging. So you have wireless charging, a slot to put things in right here, then a ring LED light, this one, and 4 output ports, and one out of 4 the input ports. You have this one as an input port. It takes 60 watt input port, and at 60 wattage it can take almost 2.5 hours to charge itself fully. But you don't need to buy a separate charger to charge it. It actually comes with its own dock right here, which has its own charging brick as well. So you don't need a 60 watt charging brick. It comes with it, and it is actually pretty managed. Like, cable is already connected, and this is the power brick. And if all you have to do to charge it, like put on it, nothing else. You don't have to do anything, and any direction is fine. Like, it is a circular, so the pins are circular, so it doesn't mean you have to align it or something like that. Just put it on the top and it will start itself charging itself. And again, this dock is also 60 watt, so it will take almost 2.5 hours to charge this power station or power bank from 0 to 100. What else do we have? I forgot to tell you about the capacity. This M150 actually has a capacity of 25,000 milliamps hour. So, and they claim that it can give you one full charge, like your laptop. It can give your laptop a one full charge. And let me show you its charging capacity as well. So if I take, let me show you by charging it as well before we end this video. Now I'm charging it. So from this USB type C, I'm actually charging it as well. As you can see, it is giving the indication that it is being charged. It is being charged at 55. If you can see, let me get the focus right. It is at 55 watts right now. The camera is not picking it up due to the shutter speed difference, but it is 55 right now here. So you can charge it either using this type C or using this dock that comes with it, which is, I think, is really convenient. You can keep it plugged once you're done, or you're back home, just put it here. It is handy in the case you are sitting in a park working, or you're doing something else. Then all you have to do is just take it with you inside the bag, and its size is not large, not that large that you cannot carry it in the side pocket of your bag. Actually, you can put it in the side pocket of your bag, and it may feel really weighty, but actually the weight itself is very reasonable. It is lighter than it looks, that I can tell you. So it is M150. They also have M250, I think, which delivers you up to 250 watts of power. If you are into that, if you want more power, they can deliver you that as well. So let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.